Only New York, baby.
They need, I believe, must be somebody must be informed that he's trying to suicide, but he's not. But he's trying to
Maybe.
get his bird. Oh my God! Somebody called the police on them?
Maybe his bird is
Oh, come on now. Ambulance is here too. Really? Who called the 911? That's not nice. Somebody called police on him. He tried to rescue his bird. Come on.
But what is his bird? I don't see his bird.
His bird is sitting down in the corner. There's the little birds.
Where? Oh, I see,
Oh, come on. You need the fire service crane to get that off that bird from the rooftop. Look at that. Who's that stupid called the cops and the ambulance on him? Look at that. How many cops is here? His bird escaped and he's sitting on the rooftop, so he's trying to get off his bird from the rooftop. Yeah. He's going back. That's his pet bird, you know? It's to block the street.
People are waiting.
It's got the angles.
The guy is still up there?
Yeah, he's here. But what's going on? He has a bird? How the bird escaped from him or?
Yeah, the bird is sitting down in the corner though.
Yeah. But is he his bird or?
That's his bird.
So he get out of his building.
Look at that. Somebody called the cops, an ambulance. I mean, they need the fire service.
I mean, honestly, right now with this shit going on, there's nobody's working.
No, I know. But hey, if you have a bird, if you have a pet, anything, it doesn't matter, birds, cat, dog, or whatever.
I think fire department can help, no, a little bit maybe with the crane.
Yeah, and also that bird can get killed by other bird, you know. Now he's gonna get arrested. His bird is still there.
So there is any way they can go to the rooftop maybe, or maybe the fire department with a big ladder, right?
Yeah, the crane.
The crane, right? I mean, they give me good tip, I go, okay? I can do it, okay?
Tip is not on my hand, dude. It's on the customers.
Come on, bro.
I hope he can get his bird back.